Hey guys, I am here with my Light Bee, and after 600 miles with the brake pads, it's time for some new ones. I'm going to install the same ones I bought when I first got my Light Bee, which is these Shimano brake pads. I think they're pretty good. Like I said, I got 600-700 miles on it, and they perform pretty well. So in order to do this, we need to remove the caliper. I've seen some videos where people claim that you didn't have to remove these, but it's actually just way easier if you go ahead and remove these. Mine are a little loose because I was experimenting a little bit earlier. Normally they actually come from the factory with Loctite on them, so give me another one of these. So this is how we remove the actual brake pads with this little screw. Now yours might have a little metal bracket on the back of it that you have to pop off. Mine have since been lost. I don't think you need them. It's a little clip is what it is. Just pull these out, and you can inspect these and see how far they get worn down. And I guess my use out of these, it's time for some new ones. So like I said, I just ordered the same thing. Here's the new ones. The way you install these is this little clip right here. Just goes over the top of that. And this one goes like this. Okay. Now let's go ahead and line this screw up before we leather. It's all good. Let's insert these back into the caliper. You got to line up all those holes right there. There we go. Now let's go back in with this. You can go ahead and tighten this down. There's no reason not to. Okay, good. Now you need to take a screwdriver and separate these out, or you'll never get this on over the sprocket. Want to ask me how I know? Yep. Okay. Good. Don't go crazy with it, but yeah. If you want to, you can put Loctite back on it, but I'm not going to do that. I'll check mine on a regular enough basis and make sure it's tightened down. Let's give this one more check. You don't want to over tighten this one or you'll strip it though for sure. That's tight enough. Alright, let's see if we got brakes. Pump them a couple of times. It seems to be working.